Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a vlog because I don't know if you all know, I haven't mentioned it here on my channel yet. If you follow me on Instagram you probably will know, but I am actually self-employed now, so I don't actually have an employer. I have left my position at Lincraft. Absolutely nothing against them, it was just not the role for me, and I figured I could put the effort that I was putting into them into my own business. So here I am working for myself. That happened about 2 weeks ago. So today I thought I would bring you guys along on a little day in the life of me being self-employed. So today I have got my mum here. She's helping me out for the day, which is lovely. And we are about to head off to deliver a wholesale order to a new stockist here in Melbourne, which is very, very exciting. So I'll take you guys along to that and you can see exactly where it is if you do want to go in store and see the MAYKR products. And then I have to go past my storage unit and we're going to count all the stock that I have in there because I haven't actually counted it yet. So, I mean, not that exciting, but I thought since I'm getting out and about today that I would bring you guys along because usually I'm just sitting on the couch crocheting or on my laptop. So I don't usually get out and about to do work. But now that lockdown has ended in Melbourne, I'm actually able to get out and about again, which is absolutely amazing. I haven't done a vlog for so long, so I apologize if you do enjoy watching my vlogs. Hopefully I will be able to do more now that this is kind of my job and lockdown's over, so I'm allowed to get out of the house, you know? Anyway, I'm going to take you guys along with me. We'll see how we go and yeah, let's do it. Alrighty, we are in the car. Mum does not want to be in the video today, so this is Mum's shoulder. We are on our way to deliver the wholesale order. We've got it loaded up here in the back. I will show you where it is once I get there. I won't tell you, I'll show you because it's a beautiful little shop. So I'm so excited to show you guys where our products are going to be. But anyway, I've got to start driving, so let's go. Alrighty, I just dropped off the wholesale order to MAYKR, which is in Brunswick, on Lygon Street. What did you say the address was?
162.
Shop 2, 162 Lygon Street in Brunswick in Melbourne. So just met Emily, which is the owner. So nice, all the staff in there was so lovely, and I cannot wait to see how they display all our products. So if you are wanting to go in and see the MAYKR products in the flesh, you can head on into MAYKR in Brunswick. This sounds like a commercial, but it's not. And you can actually go in there and touch and feel and see the bags and the couch caddies. So that's exciting. So I didn't do a whole lot of filming in there just because it was really busy. There's a lot of people, so I figured, you know, random people probably don't want to be in my YouTube videos, but I did get a little bit of footage of their cute little shop. But anyway, now we are headed off to my storage unit because we need to go and count all my stock, like I said before. But yeah, let's do it. Okay, so we just got to my storage unit. We have all these boxes to count. I don't know how much is in here. I think there's about 18 to 20 in each box. So we've got quite a lot to count, but that's all right. Hopefully it won't take too long and then we can go and get some lunch. So let's see how we go. Well guys, that is a wrap on the stock counting. Mum and I just spent, I don't know how long we were here for, maybe like an hour or longer. How long were we here for? 2 hours.
Yeah, probably 2 hours.
2 hours counting 452 units of stock. So now we're done and we're probably going to go get lunch because I'm hungry. But anyway, that was fun. Okay, so we are home from lunch. We're now back at my house and we're currently in my garage because this is where I keep all my stock, and we are going through every tote bag and adding in the yarn guides. So you guys may not know this, but I actually have to go through and add in every single yarn guide to every single tote bag. The factory doesn't do this. It is something that I may start getting them to do because it is very, very time consuming. But for this shipment, I didn't get the factory to do it, so I am doing it and Mum's doing it. Well, we're both doing it. She's my employee for the day. I bought her lunch, so she's good to go. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Got our gloves on so we don't get our fingerprints all over them. We've got our polishing cloths there so we can polish them as we go. It's a bit of a process, but anyway, that's what we're doing now.